Nina, I have cursed you and hated you and torn your photograph, and yet I have known every minute of my life that my heart and soul were yours forever. To cease from loving you is beyond my power. I have suffered continually from the time I lost you and began to write. And my life has been almost unendurable. My youth was suddenly plucked from me then, and I seem now to have lived in this world for 90 years. I have called out to you. I have kissed the ground you walked on. Wherever I looked, I have seen your face and the smile that had illumined for me the best years of my life. You have failed me. Your look is cold. You do not like to have me near you. Personally, I am nothing. Nobody. I pulled through my third year at college by the skin of my teeth, as they say. I have neither brains nor money. On my passport you may read I am simply a citizen of Kiev. When the celebrities that frequent my mother's drawing room deign to notice me at all, I know they only look at me to measure my insignificance. I read their thoughts and suffer from humiliation. I am quite alone, unwarmed by any attachment. I am as cold as if I were living in a cave. Whatever I write is dry and gloomy and harsh. You have found your way. You know where you are going. But I am still groping in a chaos of phantoms and dreams, not knowing whom and to what end I am serving by it all. I do not believe in anything. And I do not know what my calling is. So soon shall I end my own life.